The Independent 2.0. The Independent 2.0 refers to a historic student-led movement in Bangladesh during 2024, often called the July Revolution, which marked the country's second struggle for independence, this time for democracy and justice. It began in June when students protested the reinstatement of an unfair job quota system. The peaceful protests soon turned into a nationwide uprising demanding the resignation of Prime Minister Sheikh Hasina. Violent clashes between students and law enforcement led to a tragic loss of lives. Over 1,000 people were killed, including many students and children, and thousands were injured or arrested. The government imposed curfews and internet blackouts, but the people's voice grew stronger. On August 5, 2024, Prime Minister Hasina resigned and fled the country. An interim government was then formed, led by Nobel laureate Muhammad Yunus. Students played a vital role not only in the protests but also in maintaining peace and order afterward. This movement is a powerful reminder of the strength and courage of Bangladeshi youth in shaping the future of their nation.